Looking to boost your credit in 2024? With so many credit repair tools out there, finding the right one can be tough. Today we're spotlighting the best options and showing you why Dovely AI is the standout choice. Let's dive in. Dovely is an all-in-one free AI-driven credit engine that offers a blend of credit monitoring, education, and credit improvement features that are personalized to each member on their platform. Dovely offers a completely free plan that doesn't require a credit card at all, but if you're looking for something more robust, their premium plan offers additional features for $39.99 a month. With over 20,000 five-star reviews and helping their members boost their score over 5 million points across the board, Dovely's got you covered. Now, let's get into some competitors. First, the Credit Pros. The Credit Pros offer personalized plans and ID theft restoration, but come with a higher price tag, ranging from $19 to $145 a month. While they offer comprehensive services and unlimited disputes, their costs tend to run higher, and they've dealt with some legal issues back in 2012. Next up, we have DisputeBee. DisputeBee provides bulk dispute features, but involves a complicated setup that requires you to sign up with a third-party service and ranges from $49 to $129 a month. They offer helpful templates and a 90-day money-back guarantee, but their high prices and complex setup can be deterring for some. Then there's CreditVersio. CreditVersio offers DIY credit repair with AI assistance for $19.95 to $29.99 a month. However, it's less hands-on, requiring you to sign up for third-party services. They have affordable DIY options, but offer limited human support and have some extra hidden fees. Next, let's look at Lexington Law. Lexington Law has been around for a while, but is known for its high prices, starting at $59.95 a month. They've also faced legal issues, including a recent bankruptcy. They have an experienced team and free assessments, but at a higher cost and offer limited disputes. And lastly, there's Go Clean Credit. Go Clean Credit offers various plans, but with a steep $199 setup fee and $99 a month. While they offer customizable services, the downside is their high costs and lack of transparency. So, why does Dovely AI stand out? It's affordable, user-friendly, and has a proven track record of improving and maintaining credit scores. With Dovely AI, you get the best of both worlds, cutting-edge technology and cost-effective solutions. So, are you ready to improve your credit with ease? Dovely's got you covered. Visit dovely.com to get enrolled and start bettering your financial health today.